students, let us start with the new exercise today of chapter 4, that is exercise 4.4. Again we have to construct a quadrilateral. It's a normal convex quadrilateral named DEAR, where you can see the length of three sides, that is DE, EA and AR are given, DE, EA and AR. And the two angles, that is angle E and angle A, are given. Now this is quite easy, but one thing again, that as we discussed in the previous videos, that from where exactly we have to start to construct the quadrilateral. So as we discussed earlier in the videos, that whenever the angles and sides of a quadrilateral are given, so we should start with that base or the length of the sides where we have both the base angles are given. You can see here angle E and angle A are given here. So we should have the line segment EA. So we should take EA as a base. Once again, let me explain that why we have to start with EA. The reason EA should be the base, because we have the angle E and angle A. If I'll start with this, suppose ED as a base, I have angle E but I do not have angle D. So I cannot draw any arc of any radius, or I cannot draw the angle. The same for AR. So remember students, whenever we want to construct the quadrilateral, we should start with such base where both the base angles are given. तो यहाँ पे हम EA से start करेंगे, because हमारे पास एंगल E और एंगल A दोनों है, और we have the length of the side EA. So let us start. I'll start with the base EA, which is given of 5 centimeter. EA is of 5 centimeter line segment. So this is point E, this is point A, and this is of 5 centimeter. As the angles are given 60 and 90, both can be done with the help of rounder. So let's take the rounder. For 60, let's take any arbitrary radius over here. From point E, we should draw an arc. This is an arc of any arbitrary radius. कोई भी radius का arc हम लगाएंगे इधर. Keep the same radius from this point, which is 0 degree. We should draw another arc. So this intersecting arc, which intersect this previous one, this forms 60 degree. So we obtain angle E as 60 degree. Now let us construct angle A, that is of 90 degree. So let us do that. Again the 90 can be constructed with the help of the rounder. So again any arbitrary radius. As 90 we have already discussed in the earlier videos also, that how to construct it. So we should draw any arbitrary radius. Keep the same radius from 0 degree, one arc, ये बन गया 60. From 60 we should draw another arc, that formed 120. Now to obtain 90 degree we should construct an arc from 120 on the upper side and from 60 on the upper side. So this both intersecting, it's from 90 degree. So let us draw this angle A, which we form right angle here. That's quite easy. Now how to obtain the rest of the two vertex D and E. So we have the length of ED and AR. So let's obtain angle point D first, and the length of ED, that is of 4 centimeter. So let's take the length of the radius of 4 centimeter, and from point E we should draw an arc. So this is the point, that is D. It's obviously 4 centimeter as we have taken. Now to obtain point R, we should draw an arc of 4.5 centimeter. 4.5 centimeter, as you can see here, this is 4.5, and one arc should be drawn from point A. So this is 4.5, and which intersect here, that is point R. Now we'll join this DR. So you can see that this is the required quadrilateral DEAR. Hence it is done. I hope you got it. Thank you for watching. Let us continue with the second question, students. In this question again we have to construct a quadrilateral TRUE where the length of the three sides, that is TR, RU and UE, is given, and the two angles, that is 75 and 120, is given. So as we discussed in the earlier video that we should take that quadrilateral as a base where both the base angles are given. So obviously we'll start with RU, that is 3 cm. So let's construct RU, that is of 3 cm, which is given here. This is a 3 cm line segment. This is point R. This is point U. Now point R we require 75 degree. The first time we are doing 75 degree with the help of the rounder. So let us see that how we should do it. Let's take the length of any arbitrary radius. You can any arbitrary radius as we have discussed earlier. We should draw an arc. Then from 0 we should construct 60, and from 60 we should construct 120. Now we should go for 90 degree. So we have to construct 75. For 75 we have to construct 90, and 90 should be a dotted line. So 90 should be a dotted line. ये हमें पूरा एंगल नहीं बनाना है because the main angle we required, that is 75. Now let's see how to construct it. Now from 60 degree हम एक आर्क लगाएंगे because 75 comes between 60 and 90. तो हम 75 से एक आर्क 60 से एक आर्क लगाएंगे in between 90 and 60. One arc from 90 degree. You see that from where I am constructing, from this point. This both intersecting point form 75 degree. One more time 75 should be obtained. One arc we constructed from 60 degree and another we construct from 90. यहाँ से लगाना है. Fine. So this angle R we obtain, that is 75 degree. Now we have the angle U also, and that is 120 degree. So 120 can be obtained with the same method. Any arbitrary radius from point U, we should draw it. This is arbitrary radius. Keep the same radius from 0 degree. This is 60, and from 60 one more arc, that form 120 degree. So this is 120. So we obtain angle U also, that is 120 degree. Now the rest of the 2 points can be obtained as they have given the length. As RT is given 3.5, so we should draw an arc of 3.5 radius from point R. R से एक arc लगाएंगे, that is 3.5, which intersect here, and that is point T. This is 3.5 centimeter, and UE, that is of 4 centimeter. So let's take the length of the radius of 4 centimeter as we have done from point U, that is an arc of 4 centimeter we have done. So let us give this point E. Let us join UE. So this TRUE is of required measure quadrilateral. I hope students you are getting, and this both are quite easy. Thank you.